Yo, you guys, it's Badger here, and today we're gonna have a look at this speaker. As you can see, it is a set of three boxes in total. We got one big base and two separate small for best quality and sound. And as you can see, it comes with an LED effect as well. It is kind of customizable and also reactable to the music. You can set up on your computer or TV, or you can actually use it with Bluetooth or with an USB stick, which is kind of cool to see. I gotta say that. As you can see, there's actually bass in here. It's not just like a big box, so that is great as well. On the sides, you can see we got a bunch of different options to customize our experience here. A bunch of cables, a lot of equalizers. So yeah, take the time and figure that out. I first had some sound on here. YouTube made me remove it because of copyright issues, so I can't really show you the sound. It's not gonna be the real sound anyway with the camera, and trying to catch that up. As you can see, it's flashing. It is looking for Bluetooth. You can also plug in a flash card or an USB stick to play music. And all in all, in general, the presentation is really cool. I like the LEDs or the RGBs, and the sound is totally fine considering what you are paying for the set. And it comes packaged quite nicely. Nothing is getting damaged when it's arriving. That is also a big plus. And this is kind of, yeah, what I meant, what you can expect here. You can change the colors. If that's something you're looking for. If this is too much on your part, change that up. The colors look way better when it's dark, and especially with the black box, it pops even more, especially in dark rooms, which is great and good to see. And yeah, in general, just a really decent set and interesting looking. Liking also the little gap that they put on the top to make it a little more unique and more futuristic, but that's personal preference. But otherwise, definitely a decent and good set of speakers, and I think we can call it a day. So I'm Badger, I'm out. I will see you around in the next video. Take care, you guys. Until then, bye bye.